Hi, happy Heart Health Month. 10 years ago, I had no idea that there was more to heart attack and stroke prevention than medication, exercise, and diet. The latest research shows that people with a meditation practices are less likely to have a heart attack or stroke within the next 5 years. For over 40 years, major studies have been done around meditation. The American Heart Association has even identified that a meditation practice can prevent the onset of diabetes, which I also had. The Veterans Association has done studies with thousands of people, and they've identified that the difference between someone having coronary artery disease is 75%, almost 75% different if they're non-meditators. That's their risk. So what I'm here to share with you today is how a short 10-minute meditation can actually change your brain, protect your heart, protect you from having a stroke, protect you from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, reducing the rates, and making you feel so much better. So, what happens when you start meditating is you're calming the technique you're going to use is going to calm your body. So positive changes happen in the brain, which stops the production of harmful hormones like cortisol, which responds to your stress. And it is no secret that we live in a culture right now where most people are stressed. They're busy, they have high demands, there's uncertainty that's going on. Even the levels of depression and anxiety, obesity, diabetes, inflammation in the bodies, everything's expanded. So, doing this short meditation can go beyond just your heart health. And so one of the things that happens is that you are lowering a lot more than stress. You're lowering your heart rate. You're lowering your cholesterol, your blood pressure. You're lowering your breath rate. You're lowering the consumption of oxygen. You're lowering your adrenaline level. And I could go on for a little bit more, but I think you're getting the understanding. Lower is better. Anxiety included will go down. And so how do we begin this? Well, first of all, it's important to know that if you decide to do this meditation practice, which I really hope you do, because this is the perfect month to start being a role model for other people and for adding heart health into your self-care routine. But if you've never done meditation before, you start with understanding that there is no right and wrong. You can't do it right or wrong. You're never going to stop your thoughts. And when you are doing the practice that I'm going to teach you today, if you find your mind wandering back to the past or worried about what you're going to do tomorrow, all you have to do is acknowledge it, don't judge it, and then just return back to your breath, because that's what we're going to do today. When you do deep breathing, you're actually calming your central nervous system down, which triggers all of these changes in your body. And know that when you breathe, most people breathe from the shoulders up, which is shallow. And so you are going to breathe to the point that your stomach is expanded like in a balloon. You're going to take in that air, fill your lungs up with the energy that it's like nourishing every cell in your body with this air that's going to go in and give you energy. And it's going to support your heart, and it's going to support all the rest of your body. So in order to get the physiological benefits of this practice, to make those changes happen in your body to lower everything, you do have to commit to 10 minutes a day. I'm not going to be doing 10 minutes. I'm just going to show you a short practice that you can start. It begins with taking 3 deep breaths. And then you can go on to your regular breathing, just being aware of it and paying attention, bringing it back when you get distracted. But you're going to inhale to the count of 3 or 4, and then you're going to hold it to the count of 3 or 4, and then you're going to release it to the count of 3 or 4. And you're going to feel better even with the first breath, because again, most people don't breathe deeply and they're not nourishing their body the way it needs to be. And your oxygen is feeding your heart. So I'm going to just demonstrate it once, and then you're going to do this at least 3 times and then return to your natural breath for the remainder of 10 minutes. Okay, here I go. And when I pushed that air out, I felt my stomach contract, my abdominal area contract in. And when I blew it out, I could feel it press out. So that's all you have to do. And so I hope that this tip really helps you. And if you already do meditation, please comment in down below so that other people share the benefits that you've experienced from meditation. And if you have never started meditation, let me know. If it's not meditation, what are you going to do to protect your heart this month? So until I see you next Tuesday, I wish you peace and joy. And I also, if you're, just meeting me and you've never been here before, I ask that you, hit the button, subscribe to this channel so you'll get notification of my videos. So thanks and happy Heart Health Month. Bye-bye.